Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of flax seeds. These little guys may be small, but trust us, they're mighty when it comes to your health. Stick around, because in this video, we're going to uncover the incredible health benefits of flax seeds that might just surprise you. From boosting heart health to promoting radiant skin, flax seeds are like nature's multivitamin. From adding a delightful crunch to your morning yogurt to boosting the nutrition in your favorite smoothie, flax seeds are versatile, delicious, and oh so good for you. And if you're thinking, how can I incorporate flax seeds into my meals? Don't worry, we've got you covered. So grab a comfy seat and get ready to learn why flax seeds are the unsung heroes of the superfood world. Your body will be singing their praises. All right, let's kick things off with the first fantastic benefit of these tiny but mighty seeds. Flax seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart health, as they help reduce inflammation in the body, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds can help lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, and incorporating flax seeds into your diet can be a natural way to support healthy blood pressure levels. Studies suggest that regular consumption of flax seeds may lead to a reduction in LDL cholesterol levels. High LDL cholesterol is associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Flax seeds have been shown to increase levels of HDL cholesterol. High levels of HDL cholesterol are associated with a lower risk of heart disease. Research suggests that flax seeds may improve the function of the arteries. This is important for maintaining healthy blood flow and reducing the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. They have also shown promise in reducing triglyceride levels, which, when elevated, can contribute to heart disease risk. Did you know flax seeds are excellent for digestive health? They are a powerhouse of dietary fiber, containing both soluble and insoluble fiber. This fiber content aids in regulating bowel movements and preventing constipation. The soluble fiber in flax seeds forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract. This helps soften stool, making it easier to pass, and promotes regular bowel movements. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool, which helps prevent constipation by speeding up the transit time through the digestive system. For individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, the soluble fiber in flax seeds can help alleviate symptoms like abdominal pain and discomfort, bloating, and irregular bowel movements. Flax seeds also contain prebiotic properties that support the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. This helps maintain a healthy balance of gut microbiota, which is important for overall digestive health. A diet rich in fiber, like that from flax seeds, may help prevent diverticulitis, a condition characterized by inflammation or infection of small pouches that form in the colon. Additionally, some studies suggest that flax seeds may help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. But wait, there is more. Flax seeds are known for their potential to help regulate hormonal balance. They are the richest dietary source of lignans, a type of phytoestrogen. Phytoestrogens are plant compounds that have a structure similar to estrogen and can mimic its effects in the body. The lignans in flax seeds can help balance estrogen levels in the body. They can act as both weak estrogens, if estrogen levels are low, or as estrogen blockers, if levels are too high, making them valuable for hormone regulation. For women going through menopause, flax seeds may offer relief from symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. The lignans can help stabilize fluctuating estrogen levels, potentially reducing the severity of these symptoms. Polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, is a hormonal disorder that can lead to irregular menstrual cycles and other hormonal imbalances. The lignans in flax seeds may help regulate menstrual cycles and improve hormonal balance in individuals with PCOS. Some studies suggest that lignans in flax seeds may have a protective effect against breast cancer. They may help regulate estrogen levels, potentially reducing the risk of estrogen-driven breast cancers. For men, the lignans in flax seeds may also contribute to hormonal balance. Some studies suggest that they may help regulate testosterone levels, potentially reducing the risk of prostate cancer. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below. liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. While flax seeds contain goitrogens, substances that can interfere with thyroid function, they are generally safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts. However, individuals with thyroid conditions may want to consult their healthcare provider before adding flax seeds to their diet. For individuals struggling with hormonal acne, the lignans in flax seeds may help regulate hormonal fluctuations that contribute to skin issues. What's more, the omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can translate to a more even complexion and reduced redness or puffiness in the skin. Flaxseed oil, in particular, is rich in fatty acids that act as natural emollients. These can help lock moisture into the skin, preventing dryness and promoting a supple, hydrated appearance. Flax seeds contain lignans, which have antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help protect the skin from free radical damage, which can accelerate the aging process. This can lead to fewer fine lines and wrinkles over time. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds can help support the skin's natural repair process. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis. Despite being an oil-rich seed, flax seeds can actually help regulate oil production in the skin. This is important for individuals with oily or combination skin types. Now let's talk about brain health. As we said before, flax seeds are a top plant-based source of alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s are essential for brain health, as they play a crucial role in building and maintaining the structure of brain cells. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds have been associated with improved cognitive function, including memory, learning, and problem-solving skills. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of omega-3 fatty acids, such as those found in flax seeds, may be associated with a reduced risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Omega-3 fatty acids help protect the integrity of brain cell membranes. This is crucial for the proper functioning of neurotransmitters, which are responsible for communication between brain cells. It may also support neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to adapt and form new neural connections. This is important for learning and memory. Lastly, flax seeds are a good source of essential nutrients like vitamins such as B vitamins, and minerals such as magnesium, zinc, and selenium that are crucial for maintaining a robust immune system. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds help balance the body's immune responses. They can help reduce excessive inflammation, which is associated with various chronic conditions and can weaken the immune system. The fiber content in flax seeds supports a healthy gut microbiome. A well-balanced gut microbiota is crucial for a strong immune system, as it helps regulate immune responses and defends against harmful pathogens. Some studies suggest that the omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds may enhance the function of T cells, which are a type of white blood cell that plays a central role in the immune response. For individuals with autoimmune conditions, flax seeds may help regulate immune responses and reduce inflammation, potentially providing relief from symptoms. The combination of nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties in flax seeds contributes to overall health and well-being, which in turn supports a stronger immune system. Well, folks, that's a wrap on our flaxseed adventure. Remember, adding these little powerhouses to your diet can lead to a world of positive change for your health. From your heart to your skin, and all the way up to your brain, flax seeds have got you covered. So whether you're sprinkling them on your morning yogurt or blending them into your favorite smoothie, you're giving your body a whole lot of love. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.